Today's video is going to be very scary for those people who want to make money online. But before starting, I am going to tell you the golden rules of online earning. If you really want to do it online, then you can do this thing. Things to consider. First of all, look at the time. If you want to earn online, there is no overnight success in it. There is no quick way that you can start earning online. I am telling you again, you can do a minimum of 1 month, maximum 6 months can also be done. But if you follow the next 2-3 rules, then you will be successful in this. The second rule is smart, see the internet. There is a lot of information available on the site, but if you are not finding 95% of good creators, then you are getting 5% of them. Find them and take information from those who have already done it and apply them smartly by combining your first rule. Yes, it will take time, and you have to be smart. The third rule which we are going to tell you about, consistency. See, consistency is the key to success. Note this thing, if you are consistent and have a tough temperament, then only you will be successful. You have memorized 3 rules, and the 4th one is the golden rule. I am going to tell you if you want to be successful in online field. I wish that you will have to grasp the audience. Yes, friends, you will have to grasp the public. Whatever is your decision, whatever is the topic, you have to gather people and connect with you. As you grow your audience, create your followers, increase your subscription, only then will you be successful online for free, whether you are in content creation, showing blogs, creating your own YouTube channel, you need an audience. Whether you are doing e-commerce business, you need an audience, you need customers. Well, if you want to do affiliate marketing, you still need an audience. Now it depends on you how to grow your audience. You entertain people by creating a YouTube channel. You have to educate people, you have to give value to people, you have to solve people's problems. You will do all this only then you will have an audience, loyal ideas, or you will make money. I am telling you, in the world of content creation, you can make money only when you have an audience. And in this video, I will tell you about the different platforms through which you will get an audience again and again, what mistakes you should avoid. How to do it, I am going to tell you all this in this video. So do watch the video till further so that you can follow the strategy in a relaxed manner and can do it while sitting at home using your laptop and internet while running online. But before, make sure to subscribe now, the one on the side that you can see as a thumb, tie it up and give it a thumbs up by fitting it. You won't get it right away. First, you need to explain, understand, and provide motivation. Then, there will be some further learning for you. You must offer something for learning, and only then will you earn. I am coming to start the learning process. You need to start understanding. So, wait a little, watch the video with patience, and learn. Now, we are going to discuss about the topic which is Pinterest marketing. Pinterest is a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The difference is that here you can include a link. Your affiliate link can be anything, a link to your store, website, or blog. You can add a link here, and it's a significant website with millions of users. Let me show you its traffic. According to SimilarWeb, it's ranked 25th globally and 28th worldwide. It receives 1.11 billion monthly visitors, making it one of the top websites globally. On a daily basis, creators on Pinterest are making significant earnings, and I'll tell you how shortly. Scroll down to see that the majority of the audience comes from America, Canada, Brazil, and Russia. You can also see the percentage breakdown and note that people reach the site through direct searches, social media, and email marketing. Now, talking about Pinterest, if you're involved in online activities, affiliate marketing, or running a store, you need to understand the basics of Pinterest to be successful. Clicking on the link below, you can see that people are coming to Pinterest to get traffic and promote their affiliate programs, store links, website links, and freelancing services. This is the essence of Pinterest. People mostly use Android mobiles. Let me provide a comparison of Pinterest users here. According to Pinterest data, the highest number of millennials is followed by gents, and 67% of users are females. This suggests that products related to females will have high sales potential, and you'll attract a lot of traffic. Many opportunities are generated here. Believe me, you can easily make $100 a day by following the strategies I'm about to share. Now, when you create your account, I'll show you all these analytics and guide you on how to create a business account. I'll also cover how to select your niche. So, first things first on Pinterest. When you want to go to a website, create your account, specify the niche you want to work on, whether it's 2 different affiliate programs from different companies or running your own e-commerce store. Simply go to Pinterest.com. What you need to do is scroll down. As you do this, you'll see a Welcome to Pinterest window where you have to enter your email address, password, and date of birth. Click the Continue button, and your account will be created. Do this, and you'll see that my account has been created. Click on the Next button. It will then ask you some questions about your gender, language, country, and interests. This is a default profile, it's not a business profile. I'll also explain how to convert it into a business profile. Choose your interest, and related pins will be shown daily. You can select up to 5 interests. You can see how I chose different interests. Click OK on Meet Your Home Feed. This is my home feed, related to the interests I selected. I'll see feeds here that match my chosen category. If I select health-related interests, I should see health-related content. If someone else selects gadgets, they'll see gadget-related content. Each feed is like a shop, where you can see various posts. You need to create your own shop for free. Select a category and focus on a specific niche to engage your audience, which will help you earn money. I'll explain how later. First, you need to convert this profile into a business profile. Click on the button on the top right side. As you click on it, select Convert to Business. Your profile will now become a business account. The difference is that within the business account, there's an ad manager, insights are available, and you can apply credits, offers, etc. It's like having a digital shop where you can do various things to make money. So, what we need to do is select the business, click on Great, and name your niche or business. For example, I'm creating a niche related to health. Additionally, there's a second category and a third affiliate program discount. You can try different things to find what works best for you. You might have noticed the emphasis on health, and I'll explain why I'm selecting it. As I showed you its traffic, most of it comes from the United States, where obesity is a significant issue. People there are health conscious, especially about their diet. Therefore, I plan to create health-related posts on my Pinterest business account. I'll invest in and promote affiliate programs that focus on improving health, driving traffic, and increasing earnings. Let me show you the profiles, dedicated solely to health. Take a look at this profile, it's health-related, and it has 3.9k followers, with a monthly viewership of 100k. Similarly, Amanda has 8k followers and 70k monthly traffic. Angela's profile, with 66k followers and a monthly viewership of 7.2 million, is also solely dedicated to health. Each of these profiles focuses on specific health-related content, attracting significant traffic. This demonstrates the potential for success in the internet world, where traffic, accurate information, and audience engagement lead to affiliate commissions and sales. If any of you are interested in health-related products, you can promote them here and also participate in affiliate programs. I'll explain all of this later. For now, I'd like to create my own Pinterest focused on health, and you can do the same. You can relate through books, quotations, t-shirts, or showcase different gadgets. There's a broad market to explore, and I encourage you to try it out. But before narrowing down, we'll keep it simple. Type health in the search bar and slide to Pinterest. Make it global, and change the language to English. We'll get related English keywords to understand the trending topics on Pinterest. Although the paid version offers more, we can identify top keywords that will help us create pins. The top keywords are visible, such as healthy living, healthy diet, and healthy eating. We'll create our pins around these keywords regularly, using smart actions. Success will come with time if you follow these strategies. Remember the 3 rules I mentioned earlier. Now, let's create our account and address the core issue. Name your business account, keeping it concise. I've provided an example. If you don't have a website, you can create one on blogger.com. If you already have a website, click Yes and add the link. If not, click No, select your region, and click Next. Choose your category. I selected health and fitness, then proceed with the options Self-Product, Generate Sales, and Create Audience. Click Next. Choose the relevant options based on your preferences. I am currently promoting consumer products. You can review the details for each category. For instance, I selected consumer quotes as a specific example. Click the Next button if you're not interested in advertisements. After selecting your interests, click the Next button. Your profile setup is now done. To create a logo, use Canva's free account. Search for Health Logo and choose a design that fits your brand. After modifying it, download the logo and upload it to your Pinterest page by clicking on the Change button next to your profile picture. Your business profile is now ready. The next step is to create pins related to health, diets, and weight loss to attract a regular audience. Creating pins consistently will drive traffic over time. To do this, click on the Create option above the Home button. Complete the necessary information and click Next. Now, a dashboard will appear, allowing you to upload a relevant picture on the left side. Write a proper title and description for your pin, and include your link below. I'll also guide you on creating boards. For now, let's focus on adding a health-related picture. To do this, use Canva to create a Pinterest post with dimensions 1000 by 1500. Customize the design to suit your niche. You can search for related content on YouTube and Instagram for inspiration. Remember not to copy directly, gather ideas and create your own unique content. After selecting a picture, upload it to Canva, add a title and description, and customize as needed. This process will help you create engaging pins that stand out in your niche. Download the picture. I've simply downloaded it, and now, I'll go to my Pinterest. Initially, I wanted a basic picture. I created a design on my Instagram to make it look more professional. I've created it, and you can create any attractive pin similarly. Now, I clicked on the picture, uploaded it here, and wrote its proper title. It is essential to have a well-crafted title. For example, keto healthy food can be used. Write the appropriate description. I went to ChatGPT to request a description. If needed, ask him for a description. He can help you with this. After pasting the description, the most crucial step is to add the destination link below. This link can be your blog, website, e-commerce store, or affiliate program link. This is how you earn. I'm emphasizing again that success on the internet requires an audience, and to build that, you must consistently use smart strategies. Overnight success is unlikely, it takes time. If you work consistently for less than 6 months and achieve success, please comment below this video. As we were discussing health-related topics, I suggest joining health-related affiliate programs. Now, I'll share a health affiliate program with you. After that, I'll discuss 2 more essential things. If you don't want to use this affiliate program, I'll guide you on 2 alternatives. Let's check our applied affiliate program and discuss it further. I'll introduce you to the DG Store 24 affiliate program. Here, you can find various products related to animals, business, food, health, education, fashion, etc. They offer generous commissions. I'll select health and fitness products as an example. Join the DG Store 24 affiliate program today. Copy your affiliate link and paste it here. It's that simple. Now, go a bit higher than publishing. First, select and create a board related to health. Give it a relevant name. I created a board for keto diet and clicked the publish button. This is your first post. Let me show you how it looks. Click OK. It will look something like this. This is your dashboard. When people search for keto diet plan, your pins will appear on your profile. Clicking on your link will take them to the diet plan, and that's how you earn through affiliate marketing on Pinterest using the proper method. If you've understood this, let's proceed a bit further. Let's create a pin related to the Teespring store. Look at the examples. After you've created your store on Teespring, which is an e-commerce store for selling t-shirts, your products are on-demand items. See the prints on demand here. Observe how many print-on-demand items people are selling, like shirts. I opened the t-shirt page, and people have included links. If I click on the link, it takes me to their store. Just now, I am providing you with information on this account for better understanding. I've created a health-related account to help you understand. I'm sharing this so that you can also link your print-on-demand store here. Its traffic includes many products. When people click on this link, it will take them to your Teespring store. If they buy, you'll earn from there. It's that simple. Yes, this was one method. Now, let me explain the last 3. There are many more methods, but the video is getting long. However, this is different. Different affiliate programs, different blogs, etc. Now, let me tell you about the last method. It's a very famous affiliate program, you may already know about it. For example, I search for laptops here inside Pinterest. You can see laptops in front of you. I have not gone through every laptop, but there is an affiliate link below each one. You can see it. Now, where do we get these links? What to do for our laptops? Simply, you have to do this. See this in front of you. Like I will click on it, such links will take me to the laptop's website. I will get them from Amazon Associates. You have to join the affiliate program. Simply go to Amazon's website. As soon as you go to Amazon's website, type laptop here. Choose any laptop. If you like it, open it here. You must have joined the Amazon Associate program. As soon as you sell any of their products, you will get a commission. If you find it less appealing, you can put any program, like DG Store 24. You've created your own store, your blog, your Amazon affiliate program, all these, you'll find on Pinterest while doing it. So why don't you do it? I've taught you all the strategies. I've taught you again. You have to spend time on this. Do your smart work consistently and stand by it. Dedicate the next 6 months. You will come under this video and comment that you have become successful. You are earning $100 daily. Hope you might have found this video valuable, so give it a thumbs up, like it. Share this video with millennials so that they can legitimately run it online while sitting at home on their laptop.